The Louisville Ladder gate assembly comes with various brackets, end caps, nuts, and bolts. Lay them down on the table or flat surface to make sure you have all the pieces at hand before we start. Please consult your instruction guide that came with the product. First, slide the end caps into the back crossbar. Then finger tighten the nuts and bolts down. Secondly, make sure the 3/8 screw is placed in the pivot connector. Take the spring and attach it. Once connected, hold the spring down on the connector so it doesn't come loose while you connect the spring to the second pivot connector. Thirdly, carefully slide both pivot connectors with the spring attached into the left or right arms. Finally, place the 5/16 screws into the arm and finger tighten the nuts onto the screws. Next, do the same for the other arm, going through the same process. Once all the ends and connectors are mounted onto the various arms, crossbars, and gates while being firmly fastened with the appropriate nuts and bolts, it's now time to attach the gate bracket onto the right and left arms. Insert the gate bracket onto the right arm with the pin. Pull the pin out so the gate can fit inside and then snap the pin back into place. Then take the other side, place it in the left arm, then take the 5/16 by 2 1/4 inch screw and attach it using the supplied nut and tighten it down. Your gate should now be fully assembled and ready to be mounted on the Louisville Ladder. We are going to be installing a gate system on our Louisville Pinnacle platform ladders. So what I'm going to do is show you the basic steps on how to install this gate. First thing we need to do is we need to take this template and we need to install it at the top where the rivets come through. There's a marking that's in the middle, and we'll make a mark here. Now that we've made the marks with our template, now we're going to drill out the hole. Once you drill a pilot hole, then you're going to have to go to a 3/8 drill bit to actually get to the size you need to install these bolts right here. Now that we've drilled out the holes, now what we need to do is we need to put these bolts into these holes here. To make it easier, we unlatch the gate system. We now can extend this somewhat. So we get it in like so. And we get the other side in here like so. Now we've got it completely set up. So how does it work? Pull back the pin, open up the gate, stand on the deck, and as you move back, you can see that you are protected. And you can now work safely from this platform. Once we're all finished, done with our job, we open up the gates, lock her down, and away we go.